Good day po sa lahat, si Fiscal EJ po ito. Now, what about the one-year bar rule? We need to emphasize that this issue is already pending before the Supreme Court. As early as February of this year, si VP Sara at ang kanyang mga abogado ay nagsampa na ng petisyon sa Korte Suprema questioning the validity of the fourth impeachment complaint on the ground that it violates the one-year bar rule. Pero hanggang ngayon, wala pa hong desisyon ang Supreme Court. At ito ang mas mahalaga. Wala ring temporary restraining order or kahit anong injunctive relief na inisyu. That is why the impeachment complaint should be presumed valid. Walang legal na hadlang para ituloy ang paglilitis. At dahil walang restraining order at wala pang ruling mula sa Korte Suprema, the Senate has no legal basis to dismiss the complaint. Hence, as a matter of course, the trial must proceed. Another question, who should decide the constitutionality of the impeachment complaint? Importanteng linawin. Ang tanong kung valid ba ang ika-4 na impeachment complaint o kung ito ba ay lumalabag sa one-year bar rule ay hindi political issue or political question. Ito ay isang justiciable question. Ibig sabihin, isang legal na issue na nangangailangan ng formal na interpretasyon ng saligang batas. At kung legalidad ang pinag-uusapan, ang pinakaangkop na forum ay ang Korte Suprema, hindi po ang Senado, kahit pa ito ay nakaupo bilang impeachment court. Bakit? Dahil ang mga maestrado ng Korte Suprema ay mga abogado na may malalim na kaalaman sa batas at constitutional interpretation. Samantalang sa Senado, hindi po lahat ng miyembro ay may legal background. And let's be honest, can we really expect Senator Robin Padilla, for example, to rule competently on whether the one-year bar rule was violated? This is not just a matter of opinion, it's a matter of legal expertise. At higit pa riyan, kapag ang isang issue ay justiciable, lalo na kung ito ay may kinalaman sa constitutional compliance, ito ay dapat resolbahin ng isang independent at impartial body, at iyon ay ang Korte Suprema. Hindi natin maaaring iasa sa mga senator judges ang interpretasyon ng constitutional provisions, dahil alam naman natin that political alliances often influence their decisions. Unlike the Supreme Court, senators are not bound by judicial impartiality. They are elected officials with obvious party loyalties. Kaya sa kasong ito, kung may tanong tungkol sa paglabag sa one-year bar rule, ang Korte Suprema po ang tamang forum para magdesisyon, hindi ang Senado. At dahil ang Supreme Court ang unang nagkaroon ng jurisdiction sa isyong ito, judicial courtesy demands that the Senate should defer or give way to the Supreme Court. The bottom line here is that while the one-year bar rule is a valid legal issue, it cannot be used by the Senate as an excuse to dismiss the complaint without trial. This is for the Supreme Court to decide, not the Senate, even if it is acting as an impeachment court. So yan lang po ang nais kong ibahagi today and see you in my next video. Maraming salamat po.